Men, you guys just aren't consistent enough on defense. You're not putting out. Football is a man's game. You can't be worried about every little bruise that you get here and there.
Did you hear what happened to
Now, Thursday, we're going to practice defense. And I want you all to study the 85 series and the goal line defenses that I gave you. Okay?
Okay. Tonight, Doug's father, Big Doug, is going to tell us about the Secret Service.
Well, the Secret Service is a division of the Treasury Department. Our most important job is to protect the president and his family, the president-elect when there is one, and the vice president when he asks us. You got a question?
Yeah, can we see your gun, please?
Sure. Sure, you can see my gun. Our second most important job is the detection and apprehension of counterfeiters. And that'll be enough of that. Now, as I was saying, say, as long as I'm showing you my stuff, why don't I show you how these work? Mr. Soupy, would you like to help me demonstrate? And let's go over here. And that's the way handcuffs work.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, sure. Damn, I must have left the key at the office.